This fool in this Range Rover really trying to get off the street. Are you serious? He don't realize once he get to the stop sign, he ain't gonna be able to go nowhere. Dumbass. And look at this car over here. That's how high the damn snow is. Where the fuck he think he going? That snow was over 2 feet high. Even in the Range Rover, you ain't going nowhere, buddy. Bless his heart. Bless his 4-wheel drive heart. He gonna fuck up somebody's car. I'm gonna keep this video going. Yep, look like him stuck. Some people so smart, they stupid. I got you on candy camera. Just spinning. You really thought you was going somewhere, huh? That job can wait.